And welcome to Phoenix Bonsai Society Beginner Workshop. Here we have beginners to the Phoenix Bonsai Society working with a mentor, and they will take the life cycle of the tree from taking it out of a pot, initially designing it, and working with each of the new members on the life of the tree. Multiple times throughout the year, the mentor will work with the new member on redesigning their tree, proper pruning, and care of the tree. This is just one of the events that we do throughout the year with our members. A lot of the mentors that are working with the new members are very well seasoned with years of experience in the art of bonsai. A lot of the people that you're seeing here have just gone through a 4-day trip in California, seeing bonsai collections from masters, purchasing bonsai material, and now they're all excited to get into the art. So here you can see a critique of a tree, of how they're starting to style it and seeing its next steps in design. We'll spot back and forth throughout the mentors and the members in a little while as they've progressed throughout the design of their trees. If you are interested in the art of bonsai, please reach out to the Phoenix Bonsai website, phoenixbonsai.com. Check out our club calendar, events. Please join us. Visitors are always welcome. So we'll be back in a little while with the progress of how our trees and our mentors are doing throughout the day. Thank you so much.